Here we are with today's video, common factors, common multiples. The learning goal is to use prime factorization to identify factors and common multiples. This may look familiar because this is the Remake, because the last video was confusing and there were too many things in it. The last video was actually like the first set of Spider-Man movies that, making that face, that's awful. That's not going to be a good movie at all. And then they remade it with, this guy's name, Garfield. Yeah, when I was growing up, that was a cat who ate lots of lasagna. And actually, it was pretty good. I enjoyed them, but they're going to be remaking them again very soon. So, Spider-Man, not very good movies, just like prime factorization and lowest common multiple and greatest common factor. So let's stop rambling and move on with math. So the first step we need to do is to break down our numbers into prime factors. We're going to take the number 8 and the number 12 and break them down. So I know that 8 is an even number, so I'm going to divide that by 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 2 is a prime number, the only even number to be a prime number. 4, I look at this and, hey, that's an even number, so I know that's still a composite number. I can still break that down more. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And now I have my prime factors for 8. And that is 2 times 2 times 2. And over here for 12, let's work on 12. 12, even number, you divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Break that down. 6 divided by 2, because it's an even number still, equals 3. And I didn't circle these, but all of these are prime numbers. So 12 and its prime factors is 2 times 2 times 3. So now step number 2, we are going to pair up our numbers here. So let's just take a look at this. So we have a 2 in our list of prime factors for 8 and a 2 in our list of prime factors for 12. So we're going to pair these guys up. We're going to pair this 2 up. So now we have 2 pairs of 2s. And we're going to take a look at this 2, and our last number here in the list of prime factors for 12 is 3. Those don't make a pair, so we can't pair those up. So we have a pair of 2s, or sorry, 2 pairs of 2s, an extra 2 and an extra 3. Let's find out what we're going to do with them. So the first thing we do is we're going to make a Venn diagram. And we are going to let's label this one, actually let's do it in the same color that they are. This is going to be 8, and this is going to be 12. Okay, so we're going to take our pairs. Our first pair is 2. Okay, we're going to write that in the middle right here. So that's the first pair of 2s, okay, which is going right in the middle. That's the common area that both number 8 and 12 share. Next, we're going to go with our next number, which is, again, a pair of 2s, as it works out in this. And so that's going to go, again, into the common area with the last one. Next, we have, let me just do this, cross that out and cross that out. We're left with a 2 and 8 and a 2 in 3. Let's find out what we're going to do with those. With these extra numbers, we go to step 3, which is placing prime factors without pairs into their appropriate circles. And the appropriate circle is just, if it belongs to one number, it goes into that circle. So, or that section of the Venn diagram. So let's put 2 right in here. And we will put, so we got this 2 in here, okay, because it's in here because it's not shared, or it's not common between the two of them, okay. This is the common area. It's important to know how a Venn diagram works. Hopefully you do. If not, you can come talk to me. And then this 3, comes over here to the 12, circle, and I'm just going to cross that out because we have them all. Okay, now that we have this done, we can figure out what our lowest common multiple and greatest common factor. To figure out the greatest common factor, we just need to multiply all the common prime factors. It's these ones that are in the shared or the common section together. So let's do this. GCF equals 2 times 2. Again, that's coming from this middle section here. And that equals 2 times 2 equals 4. So the GCF, greatest common factor, equals 4. Okay, or the GCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Now we have the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple is the product of all the prime factors in the Venn diagram. Okay, so we're going to multiply together all the numbers that we see. It's going to look something like this. So the LCM equals, okay, say 2. We're going to bring this one down. Next, we're going to bring down our common factors. So times 2 times 2 times 3. So we're bringing this 3 down. And that is going to equal 2 times 2 is, let's go, 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. So our lowest common multiple equals 24. Okay, or when you write it out is the LCM of 8 and 12, oh please write neater than me, is 24.